Hello everyone, this is Imran Pardesi sir and today I will be continuing standard 10th maths first chapter number 2 quadratic equations. In quadratic equations we will be continuing the practice set 2.6 word problems. So please look at the board. See question number 4. Vivek is older than Kishore by 5 years. It means Vivek is older than Kishore. Kishore is smaller by 5 years. Vivek is 5 years older than the Kishore. It means we don't know the age of Kishore. We know something about Vivek, that Vivek is 5 years elder than Kishore. It means we don't know what is the present age of Kishore. So we will consider the present age of Kishore be x years and Vivek usse 5 years elder, means x plus 5. Okay, so look at the board. The sum of the reciprocals of their ages. Sum of the reciprocal means the Kishore age is x. What is the reciprocal of x is? It is 1, right? So you can write 1 upon x. This is the reciprocal of x. Now x plus 5. This is the age of Vivek. So what is the reciprocal of this? 1 upon x plus 5. I hope you understood the reciprocal. See, 3 upon 4. What will be the reciprocal? 4 upon 3. 5 upon 2. What will be the reciprocal? 2 upon 5. I hope you understood. The sum means addition. Sum means addition of the reciprocals of their ages. Whose ages? Kishore and Vivek is 1 upon 6. Find their present ages. Okay, we have to find the present age of Kishore and then present age of Vivek. Okay, so pay your attention towards the board. According to let the present age of Kishore be x years. We don't know the age of Kishore, so that's why we will consider let the present age of Kishore be x years. Therefore the present age of Vivek is x plus 5. It means Vivek is 5 years older than the Kishore. So therefore x plus 5 years according to the condition. So what is the condition is there? Condition was there reciprocal sum. Sum means addition. Sum means addition. Addition of what? Addition of the reciprocals of their ages. So what was the age of Kishore? X. Reciprocal of Kishore age will be 1 upon x. What was the age of Vivek? X plus 5. So reciprocal of x plus 5 will be 1 upon x plus 5 is equals to 1 upon 6. Okay, so now here you will do the addition. Okay, this is x plus 5 plus x plus x into x plus 5. See how we will do it. This will go this here, this will go here. So it is x plus 5 plus x upon x into x plus 5 is equals to 1 upon 6. Okay, now what you will do? Now you will solve it. X and x how much? X plus x, 2x upon 2x plus 5 upon, you will multiply this x square plus x multiplied by 5x is equals to 1 upon 6. What you have done? You have done this x plus 5 here, x here, and x multiplied by x plus 5. Is it clear? Now you will solve it. X plus x, 2x plus 5, x are x square plus x 5s are 5x. Now you will multiply this, cross multiply. You will multiply this 6 to here and this will go here, right? So therefore it will be, this 6 will multiply here. 6 multiplied by 2x plus 5 is equals to this x square plus 5x 1s are x square plus 5x. Okay, now you have to solve this. 6 2s are 12x, 6 5s are 30, x square plus 5x. Okay, so this is x square. So this everything, these two terms will go to the right hand side because x square is here. Don't make x square negative. You later on you can change. Okay, so 12x plus 30 will go to the right hand side. So therefore it will be 0 is equals to x square plus 5x minus 12x. Why it is minus? Because 12x is positive here. It will come over here to the right hand side. So it will be minus 12x, and plus 30 also will be minus 30. Then you have to solve this. Okay, you have to solve this. X square, can you see this is the like term? Plus minus minus 12 minus 5, how much? Minus 7x minus 30. Is it clear? 5x and 12x are like term. So now what you will do? You will make it properly. That is x square minus 7x minus 30 is equals to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. Now you will factorize over here. This 30 will multiply to the coefficient of x square. Here it is 1. So you will multiply 30 minus 30 ones are 30. And how much is middle term? Minus 7x. Okay. So 30 factors of 30 is what? You can say 10 threes are 30. See, it is 10 threes are 30. Yes. So it is negative. So bigger number should be negative, smaller number should be positive. So see, minus 10 multiplied by 3 is minus 30. Minus 10 plus 3 will be minus 7x. Is it clear? Now you will write first term as it is, x square minus 10. X is here, so you will use x, plus 3 x is here, you will use x, minus 30 is equals to 0. Now you know how to find the common term. Therefore x is the common. X minus 10 plus 3 tens are 30. So 3 is common. Whatever will be the first bracket, 10x minus 10 is equals to 0. Which two bracket comes twice? X minus 10 and x plus 3 is equals to 0. Okay. So therefore x minus 10 is equals to 0 or x plus 3 is equals to 0. Right. Now here you will solve. Therefore x is equals to, this minus 10 will go that side, it will be positive 10, or x is equals to this plus 3 will go that side, it will be minus 3. Okay, so x value came, x is equals to 10. Why you will not consider minus 3? Because age cannot be negative, age cannot be negative. So x is the age of Kishore. So what is the present age of Kishore? X, 10. Therefore the present age of Kishore is 10 years. Therefore the present age of Vivek is x plus 10, means x plus 5. X plus 5 means x value is 10 and plus 5. So it is 15 years. I hope you understood. The present age of Kishore is 10 years and present age of Vivek will be 15 years. Here everything is clear. Vivek, Kishore age is x. Vivek is 5 years older. So x plus 5. Sum means addition. Reciprocal of their ages means reciprocal, multiplicative inverse. So see, x upon 1 will be 1 upon x. X plus 5 upon 1 will be 1 upon x plus 5. Then this you will add here, this you will add here. Then x multiplied to x plus 5. This here, x multiplied to x plus 5. And then you have to do cross multiplication. Then you will form quadratic equation. Then we have to solve by factorization. Age cannot be negative. Therefore, Kishore age will be 10 years. And Vivek age usse 5 elder, that is 10 plus 5, 15 years. I hope you understood. So dear students, now we will see the question number 5. Suyash scored 10 marks more in second test than that in the first. Here Suyash is a student who scored 10 marks more in second test, okay, than that in the first. It means सुयश ने फर्स्ट टेस्ट से 10 मार्क्स ज्यादा लिए इन सेकंड टेस्ट. Okay, so what we know, we don't know the how much marks he has taken in first test. So what we will consider, let Suyash took X marks in first unit test. Okay, look at here. Let the marks scored by Suyash in first test be X. Suppose Suyash ने X marks लिए in first unit test. Okay, why? Because we don't know how much marks he has taken in first test. We know how much more marks he has taken in second test. So what we don't know? First test. So we will consider X marks. Okay. See here. Let the marks scored by Suyash in first test be X marks. Okay. Now therefore the marks scored by him means Suyash in second test is उससे 10 ज़्यादा. It means X plus 10. Understood? First test X marks. Second test 10 marks more. It means X plus 10. Is it clear? Okay. Now according to the given condition, what is given condition? 5 times. What is the meaning of times? Multiplication. Clear? 5 times means 5 multiply by. Okay. The score of the second test. What is the score of the second test? X plus 10. Clear? 5 times the score of the second test is means is equals to is the same as square of the score in the first test. What is the score in the first test? X is square of the is the same as square of the score in the first test. So square of the first test. First test how much marks? X. Square of the first test. Clear? 5 times the marks scored in the second test is as same as the score of the first test. Clear? Now what you will do? You will solve this. 5x are 5x, 5 tens are 50 is equals to x square. Clear? 5x are 5x, 5 tens are 50. Now x square is on the right hand side. So take these both the terms to the right hand side here. So what will left here? 0. Therefore it will be 0 is equals to x square minus 5x minus 50. Clear? This plus x will go there, minus 5x. This plus 50 will go there, minus 50. Clear? So what will left here? यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा? 0. Now what you will say? Therefore x square, that is you can write this like this also, right? सीधा करो. X square minus 5x minus 50 is equals to 0. We can write like this also. ये यहाँ पर equal. See, x square minus 5x minus 50 is equals to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. Now you will factorize. Now you will factorize this. Okay. This minus 50 will multiply to coefficient of x square. So here it is 1. Okay. So factorize it. X square minus 5x minus 50 is equals to 0. So this minus 50 will multiply to the coefficient of square term, that is 1. So what it will be? Minus 50 ones are minus 50. What is in between? Minus 5. Now you have to write 50 comes in which table? 10 5s are 50. 10 5s are 50. Yes. See. So it is negative. So bigger number should be negative and smaller number should be positive. 10 5s are 50. Minus 10 multiplied by 5 minus 50. Minus 10 plus 5, answer minus 5. Clear? Now what you will do here? First term as it is, minus these two factors you will write here, minus 10x plus 5x minus 50 is equals to 0. Now you will find out the common term. X is common, x minus 10. Okay, here 5 is common, 5 tens are 50, so 5 is common. The first bracket only, the second bracket. Okay, same, check it. 5x are 5x, 5 tens are 50. So therefore x minus 10 and x plus 5 is equals to 0. You can write therefore x minus 10 is equals to 0 or x plus 5 is equals to 0. Therefore x is equals to, this minus 10 will go that side. It will be plus 10, or x is equals to, this plus 5 will go that side. It will be minus 5. So what is the score? Score positive होगा या negative? Positive. So how much mark Suyash got in first unit test? 10 marks, right? Therefore Suyash, right? Suyash scored 10 marks in first test or unit test. Therefore, Suyash scored x plus 10, right? X plus 10 यानी first unit test से 10 ज़्यादा, so that is 10 plus 10 which is equals to 20 marks in second test. I hope you understood here how to solve. Yes, see, Suyash scored 10 marks in first unit test and in second unit test he scored 10 marks more, 10 marks ज़्यादा. So 10 plus 10, 20 marks in second unit test. Is it clear? So this is how we have to solve this word problem of quadratic equation. So dear students, now we will see question number 6. It is very much important. Mr. Kasam runs a small business. Okay, Mr. Kasam का एक business है of making earthen pots, मिट्टी के बर्तन बनाने pots. Okay, he makes certain number of pots on daily basis. He makes certain number of pots on daily basis. It means we don't know how much pots he makes per day. Daily basis means per day. So we will consider it. Let the number of pots made by Mr. Kasam in each day be X. Understood? The things which we don't know, we will consider it X. So here in this question, we don't know he makes certain number of pots on daily basis. Daily basis means every day. So therefore we will consider let the number of pots made by Mr. Kasam in each day be X. Now see the next thing. Production cost of each pot is rupees 40 more than 10 times total number of pots. Cost of each pot. Cost of one pot. Okay, cost of one pot will be 40 rupees ज़्यादा means plus 40 किससे 40 rupees ज़्यादा plus 40 more than 10 times. 10 times मतलब 10 multiply. 10 मतलब 10 times means multiply. 10 times total number of pots. So how many number of pots he makes every day? X. We don't know how much. So see I have written here total cost price of each pot. Each मतलब one pot. Total cost of the each pot is rupees 10 times. Do you understand here? 10 times 10 times 10 times total number of pots. 10 times total times मतलब multiplication. 10 times total number of pots. How many pots he makes every day? X. We don't know. 10 times मतलब 10 multiply by X. Okay. 10 times number of pots he makes every day. So 10 multiply by X means 10X. Clear? And plus 40. उससे 40 rupees ज़्यादा. I hope you understood the number of pots he makes every day X. And what is the cost of one pot? 10 times the number of pots. 10 मतलब 10 times means multiplication. Number of pots X. So 10X plus 40. 40 more than 10 times total number of pots. I hope you understood this. Clear? Now what is said? He makes in one day. Okay. If production cost of all pots per day is 600, all सबको मिलाकर the production cost of all pots per day is rupees 600. मतलब सब कॉस्ट की कीमत होती है दिन में जितने पॉट्स बनाता है उसकी कॉस्ट उसको कमाता है दिन में. How much rupees the Mr. Kasam earns? 600 rupees per day. Her day, every day he makes 600 rupees. Okay. So therefore see according to condition total cost price of all pots made by him in one day is rupees 600. पूरे जितने भी pots बनाता है so दिन में कितने पैसे कमाता है 600. So see according to condition, that is what is condition, number of pots X, right? Number of pots X multiply by what is the cost of one pot? We don't know. We know this 10 times X plus 40. See, number of pots x. See, अगर मैं कहूँ one pen is one pen cost 10 rupees. एक pen 10 rupees. 6 pens how much rupees? 60. And total how much? 60, right? So you will do 10. One pen will multiply to 10, right? One pen will multiply to 10 is equals to how much? 10 rupees. So 6 pens will multiply to 10 is how much? 60 rupees, right? So like this here also, how much pots he makes in a day? X. What is the cost of that pot? उस pot की cost कितनी है? 40 rupees more, 10 times of number of pots in a day. So 10x plus 40 is the cost. Number of pots, cost of one pot. And how much rupees he earns every day? 600. Okay. Now we will multiply. 10 ones are 10, x are x square. 40 ones are 40 and x, right? 40x. This will multiply to 10x square. X will multiply with 40, 40x. 600. Now this 600 will come to the left hand side. It will be minus 600. वहाँ पे क्या बचेगा? 0. Now this is the quadratic equation. Yes, but can you see 0, 0, 0? It means it will divide by 10. छोटा होगा और छोटा होगा, small. We can simplify it. इसको और simplify कर सकते हैं. How? 0, 0, 0 will get cancelled. See here, divide both the sides by 10. 10, 10, 10. So what is left? X square plus 4x minus 60 is equals to 0. 0 upon 10, 0. 0 upon 100, 0. 0 upon 1000, 0. So now we will, this is a quadratic equation. Now you will factorize this. Minus 60 ones are minus 60. 4x, 4 here, right? 10 6 is 60. Plus 10 minus 6 means plus 4, right? Now you will solve by factorization and at the end you will get x is equals to 6. Why? Number of pots cannot be negative. Negative pots हो सकते हैं. So how many pots he will make in each day? 6 pots. See here. X is what? Number of pots made by Mr. Kasam in each day. How many pots Mr. Kasam will make every day? 6 pots. And how much rupees he earns every day? 600. So what is the cost of one pot? 100. Very easy. See, 10x plus 40. 10 multiplied by 10 times number of pots. How many pots he will make? 6. 10 times the number of pots in a every day plus 40. So 10 6 is 60 plus 40 is equals to 100. So Mr. Kasam is making 6 pots every day. Okay. And cost of each pot means one pot is rupees 100. I hope you understood. Easy, and it is very much easy to understand, very much important as well. So practice it. I hope you understood. So best of luck. Thank you so much.